wearing pants, but I don't like them. I hate this. Why? Arriving in YAHOSHUAH, I feel happiness here, and I see that it's not good to wear pants. Wait, maybe you take the words of someone else, or it's really this. If people say wear pants, you want, yeah, well, yeah, I don't want even sport. When at home, I don't. At school, when I do sports, I don't wanna wear this short pant. So, how is your happiness now? Yeah, outside I am happy, angry, sometimes I cry. But in YAHOSHUAH, even though there is something that makes me upset, I am always happy. Do you? Your heart. Your heart, if you see a man, so how do you feel? Me, I prefer YAHOSHUAH. Do you keep this? Do you really keep that? It's really good. What's her name? Misain. You are Misain. So be minded. Don't let yourself be flattered by man, and love always YAHOSHUAH. So, Misain, I have a sit now. What's your message for a little sister like you? What is instruction for you to? And I say, go to, let's pray in YAHOSHUAH. It's really wonderful. What's your message to young women like you? Come to YAHOSHUAH. That's it. YAHOSHUAH is the real God, not Jesus. That's it. You are not going to Jesus? No, not anymore. Always in YAHOSHUAH. Yes, original. Do you really love YAHOSHUAH? Yes, I love YAHOSHUAH. Give a kiss to YAHOSHUAH. That's it. So remember that. YAHOSHUAH bless you. For you, little brother, little sister, what's her name? No, my dad forced me to go to pray, but I am lazy. I am 14 years old now. I don't want to go there anymore. And then my father said, don't do that. There, I go to church one Sunday. We are 5 here. And Ferry is the children of my aunt admitted in hospital, but I didn't go here at church. But my mother said, "Go to church, but don't stay here at home." But I am lazy, and my mother write his name for the baptism. Where is your mother? Yeah, my mother is dead, but I have a new mother. Your new mother. And after that, Once my mother read the name for baptism, I said, I came here and Sunday I read my name for the baptism because God, you don't reply me. My father said, don't criticize God. And after that, I come here and now here. Why are you convinced? I've heard the teaching and I am convinced. Yeah. Do you forsake those young men? Yes. Before you love them. Now I don't love. I don't love them. Why? They're only flattering me. Why don't you love man? I just don't love. After 1 year, oh, what happens? I don't need them anymore. I don't know whether it's my mind that is not accept. But but unless you have money, but no, it's not made. What is good to be with Yahushua? Numena, what's her name? Numena, are you leaving Yahushua? No, not anymore. Why you don't want to commit evil? I don't know. I just don't like. And Numena, it's wonderful, Numena. When you are with Yahushua, there are people saying that there are people admonishing. Yes, for example, I wear mini skirt, short pants. That is, I don't feel good till I take it off. It's not good to make mini skirt. And I said I don't have any, and there is a sister here and give us skirts, long skirt, and I got one. If you don't have something, so ask to Yahushua or ask to your sister. If I have a skirt, I will give one to you. But I don't have any skirt. Lumena, always pants. Don't be discouraged if you don't have anything. Be courageous, because you have someone that admonish you and something like that. So go. So continue your right. You want to cry? And now you're happy. Wave your hands, dear woman. Have a seat. What's your name? No. Mot. No, Mot is seen here. What's news? You're arriving in Yahushua. Yeah. What's your happiness? Happiness is once you arrive in YAHOSHUAH. I don't know many things about teaching, but I've heard the songs in radio and I am happy. And it then brings happiness. And I live with someone with someone, and sometimes I sing, and they say, "Shut up! We don't wanna hear that." When I do spend a lot of efforts not to sing, but I can't help for myself doing so. And now, what happened? So there is it's really hard. But in the headphone, I have a headphone. In the on the bed, when I sleep on the bed, when I hear the song, I almost going to dance. But I feel that I don't follow teaching, but only happiness. To compare the happiness you got before, no, it's not the same. They're different. So it's really good, wonderful, the happiness you receive in YAHOSHUAH. Yes. So now you are persecuted at this time, or it is already done. There is someone persecuting, but for example, family, they're saying there is no second baptism. Or you fool, it's like oppression on you. Going in this church, I don't get anything. I am really I don't get anything when I go to church. Even I sing a lot. But, what is good? But arriving at YAHOSHUAH, it's good. I love all my friends are not women but men. Maybe execution. I've relieved that, but now I am here. So leave this mutakat kill. That's a wonderful muta. That's a wonderful muta. Is there anything anyone admonishing you? Yes. When I write my name for the baptism, I hate really evil things. They are murmuring in my mind. Each time I want to commit something bad, there is a voice criticizing me. For example, I go with this. Tomorrow, no. So there is someone admonishing me. Is it good? It's good because we know that's not good. We should avoid that, but we follow this way. So you don't love any man. Till now, they are I am astonished. The little boy or grand said, "Give me your phone numbers." I said, "No." I don't know. I don't. They were every 14 years old. 14 years old. Why do you wear pants? To show the back to men. How much? How many men and yes, to show men this back. My if they are to have a style. My father and mother, they go here to pray, and I go to church, I go to school, and I wear pants. My aunt is my niece, and she said, write your name for baptism. And I wear pants. I hate pants, but I wear cyclo. What is cyclo? Cyclone. This those slim pants, and I wear this. And my father told me, what is Turkey? Where is Turkey? He's your father. Okay, it's wonderful. Where is your father? Where's mother? He go out because she ate tobacco. My father said you go, you despoil our holiness. Go here and talk to Presbyterians. He said, okay, let her over there. And I wear pants. Now I'm wearing pants. When is the last? I didn't remember. After writing my name for the baptism, I wear cyclo going to school. My father said it's not good. You are naked. And after that, I didn't wear. Then I am about to wear pants and say, no, it's not good. Not good. You show your back. Where is saying that? Someone is say it's no longer good. From there, I don't wear pants anymore. I hate pants. Sometimes I've seen people, my friend wearing pants, but I feel I don't love this. I don't want to do that. Messiah will wear pants, but I don't want to wear this anymore. I'm fed up. But Does the pants attract people? Yes, you feel naked, just to make man attracted. Before men are happy, but now men are not happy anymore. So you make them you are then admonishing man. Yes. So Mayen, how's your happiness? I'm really happy in Yahushua. There is a great happiness in me. What is the difference between before I'm happy, but after a few time I don't feel it anymore. But now in Yahushua, even in the bed, I feel happiness. I am really happy. I forsake now pants, and I feel really respectful now with a stick. And at home, I am really different from the others. If there is persecution, are you going away? No, I am not. I am not leaving Yahushua, though there is a persecution. Though you are the only one to serve Yahushua, you are afraid. No, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I will be stuck in Yahushua. That's good. What is last question? Concerning admonition, I am really. It's really good to be admonished. Now you are admonished, and you feel not to do something, and you feel happy. Now you're fighting your resort. I don't care about that. Bye. I don't care about it. Only for Yahushua. Tell Yahushua, I am only for Yahushua. I am only for Yahushua. Yamayan, to you keep this till the end. Yes. I say that you are happy till the end. So don't do evil relation when there is something bad. So raise and admonish. Yahushua bless you, Mayenna. Elijah. Or friend. Elisa is with Elia. Is this? My friend is changing to woman. Why you are convinced? Before I want to be baptized, but I was invited to March 4th. Then I stay at home and I go to March 4th. I want to stay. Huh? Every Wednesday we have assembly with religious men. I don't know what to say because I don't know the teaching. And on March 4th, when I want to go to YAHOSHUAH, the person don't let me go. He said, I stay at the each time, if there is then someone who is blocking you going here at church, so you leave, you give up. Yes, I leave this person. And last time then with a person, my husband and me, we fight between us, we quarrel about teaching. Then I was at I was convinced. Last times I'm convinced, but I don't want to come again because I was afraid of the spirit of judgment. And after that, I told to my husband, I go to church. And I write my name for the baptism after. And I want to show my legs. And then I write my name for the baptism. And there is a wording of seat A. Every day I wear pants after that, but what's your name, Elisa? You really love wearing pants. How you are fed up of pants? Because I am ashamed. I don't. Who has made you ashamed? I don't know. We don't have any money, and there is a feast here at the church. I just have 2,000. I just change it to skirt, and I don't need money. But I am happy, even though, to go to church. March 4th, we don't have anything, but we go to church because I am happy to be here with YAHOSHUAH. Though there is nothing, it's really good. There is no problem. That is it. Or you are dancing, and you feel, yes, yes, I love dancing. Even though I was in Jesus, I dance in FJKM. I dance, but in YAHOSHUAH, it's completely different. Different because before there, you are happy there, but after that, you are not happy. You go with a man after. And what happens here? Is it good when you arrive here? It's good or not? It's not good. Why? It's not good because why you left this? I don't know what happened, but I was cut off. The others say that I don't feel that there is someone admonishing me, but I just take it off. And what? You don't know You don't love. Now I don't love wearing pants. It's like that. And loving man, my husband. Husband is different, but is different. You don't. Someone is not admonishing you. I preach them if they flattering me. If they listen to you, but man doesn't want to listen to you, but he wants you. No, I don't want to. Only YAHOSHUA. Yeah, in Jesus, it's suitable to do it. In YAHOSHUA, it's not good. Why you say that's not good in YAHOSHUA? When you come here, so you go home, arriving at home, you listen to radio and you sing. You don't think of that. That it's a command that you must listen to radio. No, there is no command or order, but you choose. But in YAHOSHUA, it's automatic like this. How's your happiness with YAHOSHUA? I'm really happy to be with YAHOSHUA. Do you forsake this? No. Why? Because in YAHOSHUA, I found the happiness. And happiness in YAHOSHUA, do you really invent or do you really live with that? No, you don't invent. Even though you don't know why you are dancing like this, like that, there. But why you're dancing? That's it gives you then happiness when you dance. It's because you are happy and you dance. Well, yeah, it's really wonderful, Alice. And stand firm till the end. This, our friends, what's her name? YAHVAH. It's a beautiful name, YAHVAH. Get ready, you are responsible because his name is YAHVAH, not destroyed. Why you are convinced? When I was a child, I follow my mother and father. And every March 4th, I go as well. And once I was ill, 2 years ago, they said, we take money tomorrow. I say, I don't care about that, I will go to my friend. And then my father and mother see the March 4th. And there is a song of Sriana, and it's like this song is going here. When I died, and I'm like this, so I was afraid. Then, but before that, I danced. And then you feel comfortable, feel not comfortable, I don't know. But at home, I was thinking it's like this movie. When I die, so I will die. Then the Sunday, I say I will write my name for baptism, and I discuss with my father. I was sure. It's like this, and I write my name for the baptism. But if you are not ready to, it's okay. And 3 days after writing my name for a baptism, 3 days, it disappears. Before, wearing pants is really wonderful. I like my in. Like I hide everything, and no one can see. And that's why I was astonished. How can I give up pants? It was unbelievable for me. But when I go home last Sunday, my husband said, "But didn't you wear pants?" They said no. And my husband is not here. I don't wear pants because I'm praying in YAHOSHUAH. It's unbelievable for me that I wear pants because I love pants. I always we wear pants because pants shows your body, so that people we wear pants that people said so that people say this woman is really different. The pants makes you a prostitute. It's women saying that it's not their goal, they're lying. But do you emphasize this? There is someone on earth, something on earth. All of you have said this. So, Tarava, how about you no longer sin with YAHOSHUAH? Even me, I am astonished because I don't swear anymore. But before I swear, then automatically I don't swear like this automatically. But I am astonished, and sometimes I say, what happened to me? I change. That means, is there anyone admonition? And according to the pants, I don't feel comfortable, that's all. How about me? It's strange. And I take it away. But I bring the pants. I just wear everything and about the pants then. So you know that it's not suitable in YAHOSHUAH, these things. But you are, if you're ashamed of that, but you just know you are just don't wear it, and it's so wonderful not to wear this. Is this a Tarava? You are really a new woman? Before I tolerate everything. But now, YAHOSHUAH doesn't allow this in my mind, and I stop everything. And it's a wonderful thing this way. So do you, are you going to give up this? No, no, no. It seems that I have Yahushua. There is a pillar then. Sometimes I dream and Yahushua is arriving and your dream is really wonderful. Dreaming Yahushua is good. Yes. So dream of Yahushua taking you. It's good, Tzaraba. Now, Misa is really famous. What is Misa? Why Misa is convinced? In the 23. The song to welcome my father. I really love this song. And I listen. And I want to learn the song, but I don't know. Each time I sing this, I cry. So I called Tuki. Give me the number of Mama. Not calling, but messages. Then I called Mama. And hello. Mama said, hello. Who is this? And then I was astonished a little bit. Who is this? Said Mama. This, come here tomorrow. We are here. We are always in the church. Yes, I say. And thank you. I don't know. It's like an appointment. The first love, it's not like this. If I wait, it's 90 degrees. At the gate, I come to Panist and I said, I have an appointment with Mama. The Panist said, okay. I want to cry, and I cry, and then I speak to Mama. Do you write her for the baptism? Yes. And when I get out, I don't go home. It's like I feel happiness. I feel happiness. Who is I'm going to speak about my happiness? My husband. Now I am near this near here, just above. So it's like you want to tell a story, but I don't know. He's not in the. Tuk is already here, so I know this. When I go home, it's like I have a new husband, but that is I have a new love, and love is really at a very good quantity. This brother, as something. I feel happiness on earth. It's really very real happiness. And from this moment, the pants, it's simple. It's easy to leave the pants and to keep up the bad behavior. But to be with YAHOSHUAH, but to show my love to YAHOSHUAH, those devil want to be with me, but I don't accept, because I share love, and I was convinced, and I go here. I always go here, and I'm always happy. I don't know. It's happiness. It's my happiness. It is. I am told like this, but I see above, more above. So, Misa, to you exchange to anything else? No. It's special. You feel the taste, the delicious. It is above more. Do you were in Jesus before? Yes, we're in Jesus, but I'm not stuck with the prayer. So you don't believe in God, but only your life and life like this. So all of a sudden, YAHOSHUAH calls you, and you are in love in YAHOSHUAH. And now, it's more the time is going, more you are in love. I am loving YAHOSHUAH. YAHVAH said, in 2026, the next baptism. At home, I say to YAHOSHUAH, be baptized me. YAHVAH said, even though you say you are crying, so the baptism is on 2026. So I say to YAHOSHUAH, you were waiting me for so long time, so I'm waiting you for so long time. So what is then? What is the purpose of the pants? Look the outside. You go to church to pray, but what you behave, your behavior is make God upset. But your pastors are not saying anything because they can't do that. If you go to home to pray, even your behavior must be holy. Because pants really shows back. Before I really love the pants, but before it's not like you are not cute or when you don't wear pants. When you wear pants, it's like it's like there is first you get out like look here Misa, you are many women, who is worth the best? The one then who has how about you? How about you? Yo, how about this? You, both of you are fat. So it makes you fat. How about this, Yo? I agree with her because before entering this, I wear pants. My husband said, I will follow you because there is something good for me over there. Where is Jerome? You, Jerome. you, Jerome, prostitute. What happened? Little calamity. Very calamity. Then I scratched my head because of Jerome. You really don't know how to do, my friend. What is that, Jerome? You follow this woman because there is something that is good for you with her. And I make wear a shirt and go to the office. He sees me and in a messenger. There is message. I don't know. He says to my friends. There is over there, and I always just wear pants, and Jerome was. Yeah, Jerome was attracted. Now, this was when I was a young man. Now I don't do that anymore. I will. It's really so strong. I will follow you because there is something to me. Jerome, do you change or really? Do you really change, Jerome? It's really not good. This sentence, isn't that right? We don't want any brothers behaving badly. I really emphasize the word of miss that it makes you boast. And it makes a man really attracted. By past, then you are attracting men at that time, but not now. Now you hide this, but they don't have. and you really laugh at it. So there is not any woman wearing pants that is not boasting then. For a woman, it's attracting then women the plan wearing pants. And for any man, that is the plan of the women. If that is a stupid man, that is following woman like this. The plan of the woman is then to make man attracted. Oh my God. One day I asked him, what do you prefer? The short or pants? It's you like this. You were very good. I go to step before. Now you cannot. The glory of Yahushua is in you. But we have to be conscious. But the woman wearing pants is not for you, for the woman, but for man. But if you really respect your husband, you don't have this behavior. But you wearing pants, it's not for your husband, but for your another man. If I wearing pants, you are in mind. It's like when you wear pants, you woman, it seems that you have a force because I wear pants, and there are many bad images in my mind. When I just go, I meet one man, so my way to work is changing. You wear the pants, and it's like you have light in your light, so it make man attracted, and automatically the women behave in attraction, and man as a man, they choke, and they are weak. But one question: you have husband. It's serious, but that is the life before. That is the fight against the devil. So you must be cautious. You must take cautious. For you, man, a woman wearing pants, it's not for you. So they want to be attracted. So you are not respectful to your husband. You are really in good farm. Now it makes you really. So all the husbands of those women are deceived. There are women saying, no, it's only you are doing that, not us. Me, I stand as a witness. Those who are wearing pants, it's a devil. So all of your minds are captured by devil. Because is that really your mind? And Yo-Yo? I agree with Misa. It is seen. It is seen with a prostitute near our shop in Antavang, and she attracted man with this. If there is a woman wearing pants, it's Nirina. Huh. Now Nirina is wearing skirt. What I love is a skirt like this. How do you think about the pants? Do Misa and Yo-Yo say the truth? They are right, because there are some looking at face. No, you. Why is Misa Yo-Yo said if a woman wear pants, it's to be captured by man. That's true. Me too. I emphasize this. Me. There are many men following you. When you are wearing pants, even your body, you show everything. There are men, there are women, maybe they say, no, it's not for us, it's not like this when we wear pants. But you say that it's not right, but it's for attracting men. So, yes, I am the first to wear pants, because is to make all men attracted. It's not then for his husband then. When you are at home, it's for your husband, but when you get out, it's for another. Mainly those who are wearing pants. I don't believe to anyone else. There is something, the purpose of the woman to be attracted by, to attract them men. No, that is your thought, but what is the real purpose? Is to attract man. The path is to attract man. It's just a lie. It's saying that it's not to attract man, but it's to attract man. It's clear what Yo-Yo has said, and no, Misa. Do you forsake Yahushua? No, I don't forsake Yahushua because I am completely with him. He is really wonderful. What is then the wonder of Yahushua given to you? Well, first of all, the happiness. And then taken away from sin. My sin is taken away.
就是有那种那个快乐啊。
You mean you don't know how to sin? And it's clear that something admonish, and you know you're free, YAHOSHUA. Sometimes on the bus, someone step on your feet, and you are really angry, about to admonish someone. Inside of you say, keep silent, and you don't say anything. I really live with that. Have a seat. Tulia. What is your name?
你叫什么名字？丽娜。
Irinda.
伊琳娜。
Irinda.
稍等一下。
Irinda.
伊琳娜。
It's really so strange. Desired by man. Already dead.
你爸爸有没有来过这里？他有段时间通过这里，他想上个教堂就来这里。
You are not deserved by man, but you want to be with YAHOSHUA. Your name is Irinda. It means desired by all man.
你的名字。
It means it's strange. So what do you do not to be with man? I would like to be with YAHOSHUA.
你从什么时间？
I was here since I was a child.
小孩，那你现在？
How many years? How years old? How many? What's your? How many years old are you? 16. Before, I was always with my mother. Then I was convinced by the teaching. I always take teaching, and while making, I was convinced because there is the teaching. You know, you are no longer a sinner. Before writing my name to the baptism, once I angry, when I find, because my old elder brother, elder sister, when I was in quarrel with them, I always swear at them. And now you say, once I write my name for the baptism, I don't swear. Do you wear pants before? No. And I go to bed, I wear shorts. Why do you love YAHOSHUA? Because he takes away my sin. And you become no longer a sinner. It's really wonderful not to sin anymore. She is 16 years old. Her name is Irinda. One question to you. How do you protect yourself? Because there are many men who are desiring you. Yes, there is someone doing this to me, but I don't care. Why? Because I don't. They're handsome, but I know them. And now the thieves are doing what they want. So I don't accept. By your heart, you don't accept.
不要那儿
People say I don't love man anymore. I want to be with Yahushua.
喜欢
And for you,
要
it's like this. Yeah, Yirinda, Yirinda. And when a handsome man arrived, Yirinda, let's see her better right or better left. Yirinda, is it right what you're saying? So you are not going to change. Now the man is with a suitcase full of money. And what do you think about that? No, I don't accept this. So, right, be baptized. You are young, and I advise you this, like the others. When the time arrives, you need to marry. So it's okay, but don't marry if the time is not arrived. Young man now is to destroy you, not to marry you. But if you think of this is advice for you, woman. If you really love Yahushua, so be with Yahushua till the end. Be with Yahushua till the end. Yahushua is enough. It's really wonderful. You really know how to catch your baby. I didn't bring any cup. I will give you juice. This is for you. You know how to bring juice. Bring. I love people to catch your baby. It's really wonderful like this. Why you put your name here in that? Why you? Well, you are. Yeah, it pushes man to attract her. The name Irinda desired by man. Isn't there any other name? There is a name that doesn't produce anything. Okay, so change the name, but change the way he is called. It's not good. You push a man then to desire her. Doesn't she have another name? Lalina. Irinda is not good. It's like you are like merchandise. It's not good. Drink your juice. Drink your juice. Then look for another cup. Drink another cup for Solange as well. Okay, control yourself. So I'm really very I'm really good and really nice. Sandine. Are you going to leave Yahushua? No, I'm not. This is the song of Yahushua. I never give up Yahushua. So be careful not to live near Yahushua. Be with Yahushua. Lalaine. Let's change her name with Lalaine, because you will be attracted by a man like that. So be wise, Lalina. Don't think of man. YAHOSHUAH. YAHOSHUAH bless you. Who is going to eat this rest of Elia? This is, and his, you are going. Are you going to stay there then? Let me drink. Who's going to eat this? Ooh. So, be wise. Be wise. Give me the cup. Let's stand up. To what? To eat. So prepare your meal. There are some people who are very upset. So after 15 minutes we are gonna dance. You understand? 1 minute then. Now those who can eat, then you can eat. Those who can eat, eat. That's why I said, let's get short here. 15 minutes.
raha misy vahiny tomboka tsy nitondra sakafo dia mba mena sakafo izy mipinaikitra dia matsirena kely ny vahiny rehetra. YAHOSHUAH, YAHOSHUAH. Ekalai, YAHOSHUAH. Ekavavio, YAHOSHUAH. Ekalai, ekavavi. Alevana mitsangana zay efa nahina vary rehefa andao amin'izay ary. Ho zay mbola mihana aminanao ihany fa ny rehefa mandeha. Aleva tantely
It's not enough!
Go!
It's a little bit sad, but I measure by my meal. Once mine is finished, yours as well is finished. Every brother, stand up. Don't be woman. Leave this rice over there. Dance without music. That is YAHOSHUAH is our society and our peace as well. Play Tantil, what you like. Give him a glory.
YAHVAH
mandimi miaraka amin'ny YAHOSHUAH. YAHOSHUAH matsiro e, lena zany e. Ale maro tantely a. Tena matsiro marina YAHOSHUAH e. Zay mahita fa matsiro izy mikikika bola izy. Sanina tsika. Tena any mantimanty tena ho falifaly be. Tandray iny indray ira manaraka igny nanana tidio.
Where is the next song now?
Tidio e.
Think of it. What?
Country.
Country?
Popsi.
Popsi.
Ina le rana no manginge nana mtitya dole ano.
Okay, discuss between you.
Iwe mi ara mtitya wa nana.
Well, together, you discuss.
Nana mtitya dawelo. Te voka nakray any teninareo rehefa avy eo.
So discuss, and after you speak in one language. 1, 2, 3. What?
Otati.
Otati.
Otantika.
Authentique.
Ah, eneva patensa.
Okay, Tantin, play it.
Vabbè, suonate adesso delle Otantika.
Give glory to Yahushua authentic. The lion of the devil or trap now. We are laughing at this. You're not ashamed. Say this. They'll step on his head, the Leviathan. We're going to destroy devil. Step on the head of Lune. Do it hard. Pour saliva. Do it with a saliva. You always kill us.
Fanenina ny tena mahery am'izay alava e.
Say that you meet the stronger one.
Eliana ifandonany
That is Elia that will defeat you. Say this. Are you afraid? No. Who dare? Ready or not? So scream for YAHVAH. Play that in. Come on. We laugh at them, the devil, who is authentic. So, praise the authentic one. It's really wonderful. YAHVAH is very wonderful and special. Wonderful. YAHVAH is wonderful. YAHVAH is wonderful. It's really delicious near YAHVAH. And we are really happy to be with it, to be with YAHVAH. We don't forsake YAHVAH. It's really special to be near YAHVAH. It's really special to be near YAHVAH. It's really delicious to be near YAHVAH. YAHVAH is really perfumed. Those who are near YAHVAH are really happy. You don't forsake. It's not really good to be far from YAHVAH. He's really wonderful. Now it's the end of the moment, so last song to glorify YAHVAH. So the Saturday, the great feast of priests. So we are happy. We will see what YAHOSHUA wants. So Saturday and Sunday, it's a great feast day, and everybody must be happy. Those who protect the holiness for YAHOSHUA, be happy. Those who fight to be near YAHOSHUA, be happy. Be happy to make the heart of YAHOSHUA come back. That's it. It's happiness for each of you. So be happy. It's for you. That is with YAHOSHUA. It's so good. Discuss. Why don't we make a white cook? So he is doing what is like. So he's doing all of his, but it's in the world, invisible world. It's happening in invisible world. And what happened in this invisible world, there is an impact on this world. But we are happy. We step on the hand of God without hesitation. With Elia, we are a great fighter, destroyer. Who are fighter with Elia? Who weren't afraid, there or not? Are you ready or not? You're ready. Let's go then. Go ahead. Scream! Don't do like a candle, but move. And jump. Wait. Who is the target? Who is the target? Leviathan. Lunator first and then Leviathan. We kick off. Okay. First is the target. Lunator. So drop solid on him. Step on him. Step on him. Step on him. Who is stepping on him? Lunator and Wells. Step on him. Step on him. Step on him. Step on him. You just step on his head. That's it. You laugh at them. Play that in. It's me. You really do are there. Jump backwards. It's a wire. The red keys for them. Red keys to Yahushua as well. We end the program then. Thank you very much, beloved Father YAHVAH, for this moment. We give you glory and glorify you, to praise you, the God who creates heaven of heavens, the heaven here and the heavens, the heaven here and the earth as well, and all in invisible world. You have done all of them. What we have done here is to glorify YAHVAH. Thank you very much, beloved Father. Bless all who was declared, and all we are to make conscious those who are listening, and to make ignorant aware, so that they know that you exist and you exist, beloved Father YAHVAH. Glory be to you eternally. Bless those who are destined for eternal life arriving here. Those who are destined for eternal life see this. See this. Thank you very much. So you bring grace for your sheep, bring peace for those who deserve this, and your wonder will be on those who deserve this as well. You bless all our works, and those who deserve to receive wonder from you. You may bring grace for those who deserve to receive that, and peace for those who deserve to receive that. Glory be to you. For those who deserve to receive your words, I say this: bless their words, bless their foods, Father YAHVAH, and you will. Glory be to Father YAHVAH. In the name of Yahushua, I do this prayer. Thank you very much. Thank you, Father YAHVAH. Hallelujah. Amen. Scream for our beloved Father YAHVAH. He is really wonderful. He is really wonderful. He is really wonderful. That's it. So bye-bye. Next Sunday. So it's invitation of YAHOSHUA for those who deserve to do that. So wave your hands. Your hands.
发起来，我们的
Wave your hands. And YAHOSHUA bless you all. Next Saturday, next day you can go home. You too, then the crowd can go home. YAHOSHUA bless you all. So that is the translation for today. So brother Tuvu, who was on the microphone. See you the next Saturday and Sunday. Goodbye. YAHOSHUA bless you all.